Thank you for your interest in these incredible machines. They have supported us in war and peace. Let us remember those heroic crews too. The Tupolev ANT-40, also known by its service name Tupolev SB and development codename TSAGI-40, was a high-speed twin-engine three-seat monoplane bomber, first flown in 1934. The Tupolev design was advanced but lacked refinement, much to the dismay of crews, maintenance personnel, and Stalin, who pointed out that there are no trivialities in aviation. Numerically the most important bomber in the world in the late 1930s, the SB was the first modern stressed-skin aircraft produced in quantity in the Soviet Union, and probably the most formidable bomber of the mid-1930s. It was produced in the Soviet Union, and was also built under license in Czechoslovakia. Many versions saw extensive action in Spain, the Republic of China, Mongolia, Finland, and at the beginning of World War II against Germany in 1941. It was also used in various duties in civil variants, as trainers, and in many secondary roles. By June 1941, 94% of bombers in the Red Army Air Force were SBs. The SB was an all-metal monoplane powered by two Klimov M-100 12-cylinder water-cooled engines, which drove fixed-pitch two-bladed metal propellers. The engines were provided with honeycomb-type frontal radiators, enclosed by vertical thermostat-controlled cooling shutters. At an early production stage, the M-100 engine gave place to an improved M-100A engine, driving ground-adjustable three-pitch propellers, with speed being boosted to 423 km per hour at 4,000 meters. Because of its broad, high aspect ratio wing, that gave it a good altitude performance, Soviet crews nicknamed the SB the Pterodactyl. Thanks, you have reached the end of the journey. Take care, see you pretty soon. Safe flight.